All right, next piece of equipment that we want to review for you guys today is the Arsenal Strength M1 lying hamstring curl. Again, along with all of our Arsenal Strength that we had ordered on this first initial order, we went with the super thick, grippy texture black paint. I loved it. The initial paint chip that they sent me, we didn't love, so we went with something a little bit thicker. Now this piece of equipment is awesome for one serious reason, two maybe, but the main reason I love this piece of equipment rather than other lying hamstring curls is because it has adjustability. You see, as it's further back like this, which you'll see, this one doesn't adjust super easy. I think that's because of our texture black paint. That's why I was highlighting that. Damn it, Arsenal. No, I'm just kidding. At the end of the day, it's got adjustability. Maybe it doesn't adjust as smooth as we would like. I'm pretty sure that's gonna wear in because you can see it's just kind of wearing down a little bit where that slider is. But at the end of the day, you can adjust this for a shorter athlete. The length of limbs for a lot of people could be a big limiting factor if the piece of equipment is fixed, if there's no adjustability. This piece of equipment, because it can adjust here, puts you in the best anatomical position to be able to actually get your hamstrings to fire without raising your low back or overextending. Now, another cool piece about this too, you'll see on the back side, is that you have a self-adjusting foot. So I don't have to adjust this up or down. Once I get into the movement, it's going to adjust to my legs, just like their leg extension. It's gonna go up and flip up and kind of catch, and it goes right to the proper height. So no matter how tall or short you are, that will adjust, get into the proper position, as well as being able to adjust this top portion. Really solid handles, along with their other pieces of equipment, the leg press, the hack squat, the leg extension. They went with some really nice handles, nice chrome top, nice little rubber grip, so it's nothing that's gonna tear up your hands like some of the other plate load equipment, which is a little bit more knurled, which you need because you need grip. But on this one, you wanna make sure that you can be comfortable while you're on the movement. Nice leather pads. And then we've got a pin select adjustment going all the way up to 150. Now, I will add this. When I first saw it, I thought 150, that's it? Should be heavier than that. Well, because of the way this belt is driven, this 150 pounds, I don't know how many people are actually gonna be able to hamstring curl 150 pounds on this machine, because 40, 50, 60, that's true to form. We really feel that weight. So it's not one of those cables that's set up all weird to where you have to go to 300 pounds to actually feel it. 150 pound stack on this thing is plenty heavy, and unless you're an IFBB pro or a world record power lifter, it's gonna be tough to be able to max this thing out and actually get good quality reps. So another solid piece. They did some branding alongside of it. They got some little branding spots on here, which I think are pretty cool that they go out and did that. I didn't want anything to say Arsenal. I wanted all of this stuff to be custom and have laser cut top line stuff in it, but apparently they didn't do that. Really great job on the paint though. Arsenal did a good job with this piece of equipment. Our members love it, I love it. It's a great piece of equipment to be able to do a lying ham.